Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you InVideo AI and why I think it's one of the most impressive AI video generators out there right now. Look, there's a ton of AI tools promising the world these days, but most of them don't deliver. InVideo AI is different. This thing actually works, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use it. So what makes InVideo AI special? It literally handles everything for you. The script, finding B-roll footage, adding AI voiceovers, background music, all from just typing in a text box. Their website says turn any idea or content into video instantly, and honestly, that's pretty accurate. Let me show you how this works. First, you'll need to sign up for a free account. There's a link in my description if you want to follow along. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard where all your previous videos are stored. Now here's where the magic happens. Click Create AI Video, and you'll see this main prompt box that says, give me a topic and detailed instructions. This is key. The more specific you are with your prompt, the better your video will be. They've also got these helpful workflows at the top. You can choose YouTube Shorts, explainer videos, recent events videos, or even start with an existing script if you've already got one prepared. Let me try this with a real example. I'm going to type, create a fast-paced YouTube video outlining the 3 key areas to focus on for growth and success on YouTube. This video should be targeted at business owners and entrepreneurs and not be too technical. This video should be inspiring to help them take action immediately. Use a friendly young male voice. Music should be inspiring and uplifting. I'll hit generate video and watch what happens. It analyzes my request and sometimes asks for more context. In this case, it's asking me to confirm my audience. I'll choose business owners. For the look and feel, I'll go with professional. And for platform, YouTube. Now it's generating a preview version of my video. This takes just a couple minutes, which is pretty incredible when you think about it. And here's what it created. I'm amazed every time I see this. The AI pulled apart the script it generated, found relevant B-roll footage, and created an engaging video. When the script mentions a cooking channel, it actually shows someone filming cooking content. That level of detail is impressive. But here's what's really cool. You can edit everything. If I want to swap out a clip, I can upload my own media or search for different stock footage. I can also edit the script directly. Let's say I want to remove some apostrophes or change a sentence. I just make the edit and it regenerates the voiceover to match. You can even use the prompt box at the bottom to make bigger changes. I could type delete the second scene, it's not relevant, or make the music more upbeat, and it'll process those changes automatically. Let me show you another feature. Their YouTube Shorts workflow. I'll create a short about the top 3 travel destinations in Australia, use a female voice with a Californian accent, and add word-by-word bold subtitles. Again, it generates the prompt for me, I confirm my preferences, and boom, I've got a YouTube short ready to go. If I want to make it funnier, I can just prompt it to start the video with a joke and make it more fun, and it regenerates instantly. When you're ready to export, you choose your resolution, 480p up to 4K. Now, you'll need a paid plan to remove watermarks and branding, but even the free version lets you test everything out. Here's something I love. If your video gets flagged for copyright on YouTube, InVideo has a button to help you get that claim removed, because all their licensing is legitimate. Now, here's a use case most people don't think about. You can use this for inspiration, even if you're making regular talking head videos. Upload your own script and see what stock footage and B-roll InVideo suggests. It's like having an AI assistant help you plan your video content. For pricing, there's a free option to get started. If you want to remove watermarks and get access to more stock footage, you'll want the Plus or Max plans. The pricing varies depending on whether you pay monthly or yearly. So that's InVideo AI. It's genuinely impressive how quickly you can go from a simple text prompt to a finished video. The AI handles the heavy lifting while giving you full control to customize everything. If you want to check it out, I've got a link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.